If I were starting print on demand today and had zero listings uploaded, these are the exact niches that I would be focusing on for the rest of the year. While many sellers, they might be still uploading some random 4th of July designs, hoping to snag a last few sales, there are some other sellers that are thinking months ahead and uploading things for events that haven't even happened yet. And so those are going to be the people who are making sales from August all the way through the end of the year and way beyond. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the biggest trends of 2026 that have still yet to happen, including several for events and trends that most sellers haven't even started thinking about yet. So if you start now, you are going to be months ahead of other sellers who wait till the very last second or even the week before to start thinking about some of these super profitable niches. Now, there's a lot of good ones in here, so I don't want to waste any time and we're just going to jump right into this list. Now, the first in-demand niche that is super, super popular during the month of October is for something that traditionally has been very, very saturated. So you might have been scared to try and sell in this niche, but I'm going to show you exactly how you could actually make products that are going to get found and get sales. And that is in the niche of breast cancer awareness. Now, October, if you don't know, is breast cancer awareness month. So you see a lot of apparel with pink ribbons or messages about being a breast cancer survivor, fighting breast cancer, being a loved one of someone with breast cancer. And while there are mixed opinions on selling apparel to people fighting things like cancer, I, for one, as a recent cancer survivor, actually love that so many people make these kinds of items so that people can purchase them and either show their support or just kind of show off about being a survivor or fighting cancer. Now, if you just go ahead and make a generic like breast cancer awareness shirt, that is very likely not going to get sales. So the way that you are going to take this niche that is so in demand that so many people are buying is you want to get hyper specific to be able to stand out. Now, what exactly does this look like? You could take this in many different ways. For example, you could do all sorts of different like family members plus breast cancer. So you could make shirts for grandmothers fighting breast cancer. You could do one for the sister of someone who has breast cancer, or like a daughter, a aunt. You could also get even more hyper specific and do things like people's careers. So a shirt for a teacher who is fighting breast cancer or a nurse who is fighting breast cancer. There are all sorts of different combinations. In fact, you can make thousands of different versions of breast cancer shirts, all kind of crossing with a different, really popular niche. And I actually have a free guide for you guys to be able to come up with a bunch of niches for this particular awareness day, as well as a bunch of other ones. And that is my cross nation guidebook. It's just a completely free download that you guys can get down below in the description, and I will send it over to you. But it's going to have lists like hobbies, careers, family member names, all sorts of things that you could combine with breast cancer to really be able to make some best sellers this fall season when that breast cancer niche really picks up. Now, the next big event and niche that I am going to be talking about is also one that falls in October and is so popular because it also has to do with something people are passionate about, which is their careers. And that is on October 28th, we have National First Responders Day. So first responders, that encompasses things like EMTs. You have dispatchers for firefighters and police. You have the firefighters themselves. You have police officers. All sorts of things related to being a first responder are going to be celebrated, and people are going to buy items about them around this October date. Now, first responders are a lot of times people that get gifts about their career, or people want to give them something to thank them for what they do. So this is a really great niche. I would definitely be targeting things like mugs or t-shirts, sweatshirts, all sorts of stuff like that about being a first responder. And you don't always have to go for the really common ones, like being a police officer or a firefighter. Definitely try and target some of those more specific first responder niches too. Now, the next niche has to do with a very specific product type that has skyrocketed in popularity in the last few months, and that is going to be woven blankets. Now, if you're not familiar with woven blankets, they're a little bit different than just your traditional like Sherpa throw or a minky blanket. These actually have woven fibers in them that make a really fun picture of almost anything. Now, you could take pretty much any niche and you could do something with a woven blanket, but particularly for the end of the year, the niches that I would be focusing on have to do with kind of the fall season and in particular Halloween. Now, Halloween woven blankets are going to do amazing this year, but particularly in that more like witchy cottagecore vibes with more nature and botanical elements, those are the types of woven blankets that are going to really skyrocket this year. So you could do things like herbs for kind of like a witchy theme, or you could do all sorts of different mushroom types or flower types. You could even do things with more of like a spooky twist to them. So all of that sort of stuff is selling well on other apparel items, but since these kind of woven blankets are doing so well, this is kind of a great niche to combine them with, and I guarantee that if you get in on this early, you are going to start making sales this fall. Now, not every print-on-demand place is going to have woven blankets to sell, but if you use Printify as your manufacturing partner to sell on a place like Etsy, they have fabulous woven blankets. I will link them down below. You can sell with them totally free and integrate them with your Etsy shop, but they have really good quality woven blankets and they're a pretty low starting point. So you have a decent amount of room to make profit with this type of item because you can demand quite a high price for something like a fully woven blanket. So this is probably my favorite one from this list, and I think this is one that not a lot of people are competing in right now. So definitely if you can jump on this, you are going to have a great head start as we go into the fall season and especially around Halloween. Now, the next big niche that so many people want to buy items for is going to be in November. It is National Adoption Month. Now, this month just celebrates all things that have to do with adoption. So whether you're an adoptee, whether you're adopting someone, whether you are a grandparent of an adoptee, there are so many different angles that you could take this, but almost anyone that is in some way involved with adoption really loves to show off this cause and wear items or have items that have to do with that. So making shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, tote bags, all sorts of things related to adoption for the month of November is a great way to do this. Now, sometimes for niches like this, it's kind of hard to think, okay, I know it's National Adoption Month, but what exactly would I put on a shirt? I'm not just going to put like adoption or adoptee on a shirt and try to sell that. But there's some really great phrases and niches within this bigger niche itself. So one place that you could go is just a chatbot like Claude or ChatGPT, and you could say, okay, I am making shirts for National Adoption Month. What are 20 great phrases that I could put on this? Or you could look on Amazon or Etsy for inspiration and kind of make unique versions of trending phrases around adoption that you are seeing. But this is another really good one, and this is one that people are passionate about, so they want to buy items about it. Now, the next niche that is a huge one to jump on. If you have never made any items in this niche before, it does so well every single year, but there is still so much room in the market to make a profit, and that is with holiday themed baby announcements. Now, while there are baby announcements made many other times in the year, around the holidays, specifically around like Thanksgiving and especially Christmas, there are so many baby announcements that are made. I think families are getting together, and this is just a really great time for people to kind of share this wonderful, exciting news that they are expanding their family. So a really popular angle for this is making kind of matching couples t-shirts about the baby announcement, like future mom, future dad, or dad loading, mom loading, but almost anyone in the family can be a part of this niche. So for example, it's really popular for expecting parents to maybe give a gift to their brother and sister-in-law that say like future aunt, future uncle, or make something for grandparents, or just shirts for moms to wear in a photo shoot about expecting a baby. So this is a really popular niche, but if you don't want to do something super generic, you can also put a holiday themed twist around this too. So make a Christmas themed shirt for a future grandma, or a Christmas themed mug to give to a new grandpa. So there's so many ways that you can kind of combine this like baby announcement plus holiday niche, but all of them are going to be super popular, and people really start planning these things pretty far in advance. So definitely you could expect sales for even Christmas baby announcement items as early as October, sometimes even before that. So this is one to jump on right now. Again, ChatGPT or someplace like Claude is a great place to get some inspiration for the actual phrases and things that you could put on those items. And if you don't really know what items that you would want to use and sell on, if you're thinking of doing something besides just t-shirts, one of my best tips is just to go onto Printify's catalog and see all of their new items, see all of their best-selling items, just kind of scroll through those pages, and you're going to get a lot of ideas of what to put a niche like this on. But let's move on to our next really popular niche for this year. And that niche is going to be holiday engagements. Now, everything to do from wedding to engagements, bachelorettes, bachelor parties. Those are such popular and profitable niches that so many people build entire shops around. And around the holidays, just like with baby announcements, this is a perfect time for people to propose or to tell other people that they are engaged. So sales for shirts in this niche or things like mugs or tote bags really skyrocket towards the end of the year. You could do things like shirts like "She Said Yes" or like "Girlfriend" crossed out with "fiance" below it. You can do full holiday themed engagement type shirts. So if people do like holiday engagement parties or holiday bachelorette parties. Now, again, these are probably most often going to happen around the holidays of Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I have seen even engagement shirts or wedding type shirts in the Halloween niche also start doing well recently. So anything related to do with wedding stuff and especially engagements for the holidays is a great niche to start working on right now, even though it is still summer. Now, another niche that has to do more with a product type than a particular holiday or event that's coming up, but it's a really, really good one to think about because you can put this kind of aesthetic and this style product for almost any niche out there. And that is the niche of oversized vintage crew necks. Now, of course, with print on demand, we're not selling like a true vintage item. This is not an old sweatshirt that you're putting something on, but they really do have some amazing sweatshirt options for going for this vintage oversized look. Now, one of the sweatshirts that is very, very popular for more of that oversized look is going to be a comfort colors style sweatshirt. So Printify has those on their site. I will again link them down below. It's totally free to make an account, even if you just want to kind of browse and see what types of products they have. But you really want to be going for that really vintage looking aesthetic. So, for example, you could even make like a baby announcement sweatshirt, like I talked about, in a vintage style and put it on one of these oversized sweatshirts. Now, the key here is you don't want to go really generic. You don't just want to make a vintage, like a 1997 t shirt or sweatshirt and kind of call it a day. You want to really lean into another niche, but put kind of that vintage aesthetic over it on an oversized t-shirt. And now another tip that I will give you for this niche is a lot of times the mock-up photos is really what sells this type of item. If you're just going to use like the generic auto-generated mock-ups, that's not going to do it. But if you can find a really stylized lifestyle image with someone wearing a super oversized sweatshirt in a really cute pose or maybe holding a coffee with their hair down, those are the types of mock-ups that really, really sell these items. But again, if you have just regular sweatshirts and hoodies or regular t-shirts in your shop, definitely this year consider adding some oversized sweatshirt options, especially crew necks, because those are selling like crazy right now. And as we move into the colder months, they are just going to sell even more. Now, if you're excited about some of these niches and want to dive right into making them, but don't really know where to start, especially making designs that are very, very quick, but still look good, I highly recommend watching this video next because I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of how I make several different designs in just a few minutes. That's going to be a great one for you to start off making some of these niches in. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and good luck selling for the rest of the year.